exactly my point. This is what I want you to understand. You look so beautiful. Hi! You see, God created you on a Sunday morning. And that is how you are like this. See, I want you to give your life to Christ. Do it and you will have a good life. Just do it. You see, everything that you'll be praying, begging God, God, I want you to do this thing for me. God, I want this, I want that. The moment you open your mouth and say, Lord, come into my life, you will see everything will start happening. Just do it. Eh? Huh?
See, Mr. Man, I don't know what you are here for and why you are here. Can you just open up and tell me why you're here? Else, I'm going to call the security on you.
You call security on me? Why? I don't understand. Have I said anything wrong here? I just said you should give your life to Christ. Is it bad? Eh? This is what anybody can come. A true child of God can come and say, give your life to Christ. And you do it. It's not a bad thing. It's just for your own good. I know why I'm saying this. Eh?
I can see you don't have any other thing to say. It's obvious you're mad or crazy.
Eh? And what? I'm mad. Hey! You have provoked the anointing. Like you just want me to shake you. You want me to disfigure your face. You see why I hate being a pastor? I have said it before. That I want to be a native doctor. Let Makachi listen. If I use my left hand, I slap you. Eh? They will say that I've slapped a palace maiden. Don't allow me to change it for you. What is the meaning of this? Eh? Oh, because you are not even happy that...
Oh, sorry. Sorry now. Calm down. Why are you shouting?
Shouting? Was I shouting?
You know where I was hearing your voice.
No, don't tell me that.
Shh. I want to tell you something.
Something?
But you have to promise me that you won't tell anyone. Promise you won't disclose to anyone.
I promise.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes.
What's it? No,
you need to keep it down.
She needs Jesus.
Keep it down.
I need to go and save her. Just...
So that is why I'm here. We have searched for her everywhere. Everywhere. Ichokonkwo, please, my in-law, help me. Help me. Biko. Huh?
First, I am in pains.
Okay.
I am mourning Ezenna, my son, who has been thrown into the evil forest.
Hey.
Yes. Secondly, Ndukwe, you are not my in-law.
Bang.
You are not. We used to be, but not anymore. Why should you ask me to help you look for your daughter? Or to beg the chief priest to revive her? Just tell me one major reason. Are you not the one that said that she is innocent?
Hey, tell you.
And the people that saw her running mad said that she was wearing a bead on her waist.
Hey! She
used that bead to cover her lies.
Hey!
Thinking that he can outsmart the Amadioha.
Hey!
But no. She can't.
Hey!
Ichendukwe, please, I don't have anything to discuss with you.
Hey!
So better leave.
Hey! Oh, come CJ. Yeah? Is this how I ended? Obina, please.
Don't. I'm in pain. I'm in serious pains right now. So I beg you to just stand up and go. Teacher Lop again about Zubo.
Hey! Please,
Come and go now, guy. I'm having headache, Biko Naba.
Oh, Meguano. Hi.
this dream again. What am I doing in a coffin? What am I doing in a coffin? I can't even sleep without having this dream. What is going on?
My son, let us not overflow this.
Papa, I am tired of all this. How can I kill my wife, Clara? Papa, you know how much I love this lady so much. And everything she has done for me, Papa. Even the wealth and everything that I enjoy today is because of Clara. Papa, Clara has done so much for me. She made sure that I got freed from the jail in South Africa, Papa. Papa, she does not deserve this. I can't do it, Papa. I can't.
But you cannot continue to think about all that. No. I am worried. I am worried as well. But you have to do the needful. You have to do the needful. Listen, when you sit on that throne as the king of the kingdom, you will marry as many wives as you want. Do you understand me? You will marry. That very throne belongs to you. You will sit on that throne and rule your own kingdom.
Gosh, Papa, all this thing is pissing me off, Papa. This is pissing me off. Who is talking about marrying other ladies, Papa? I love my wife so much. And I can't do this, Papa. This is getting me crazy, Papa. Do you want me to run mad?
Then leave the throne, which you know you cannot. There is no going back. There is no going back. Yes.
Papa.
Listen, Udweke loves to come back to this kingdom. She deserves it. She loves to come back to this kingdom to showcase herself again.
Papa, you are not helping matters. You are not helping matters at all. I am telling you how I feel about this situation. This is all you have to say about it. This is all you have to say, Papa. Papa, I can't do this. I can't do this. Mommy, I cannot.
Greetings to you, great Udweke. I present to you my wife as demanded for the sacrifice.
OBK.
Yes, wise one.
Do not toy with your life. Take her out of here! Out of here! Out of here! Take her out of here! Out of here!
But wise one, this is my wife.
Obike! Cry like Obike is your wife. This is not your wife. Take her away. You want to fool the gods. You want to get the gods angry. Obike, do not get me angry. Oh, you want to dare the gods. You are playing smart now that you are not even the king. Take her out of my shrine. Out! Out immediately! Take her out immediately! Out! Take her out! Out!
Ezemo, I brought you here. You know, she's my only daughter. She's my only daughter. See, I can do anything. Even I have a land to sell. So that you can help me bribe the gods. You know, go.
Ishendukwe, your daughter has only few days to live on earth.
Hey!
Once she's found, take her to the full forest.
Hey.
She will not be buried in our land.
Mbano.
She's an abomination. And you already know that.
Mbano. Ezemo, see, I said she's my... Ezemo, please. She's my only daughter. Ezemo. Hey! Ezemo, please. Ezemo. Hey!
Our king is dying slowly. Darkness is here.
Daddy. Daddy. What happened? Who beat you?
My friends in school are calling me the daughter of a mad woman.
What? They did?
Yes, Daddy.
Listen, you're not the daughter of a mad woman, okay? They're just envious of you because you're intelligent, beautiful, and smart, right? Don't mind them. Go inside. Go and eat your food. Take off your clothes and then eat your food before bathing, okay?
Yes, Daddy.
It's high time. It's time for me to leave this village and go to Abuja and start up a new life.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
What is it?
Papa wants to kill me!
What is it?
Papa wants to kill me!
What is it? Don't worry. Come, let me see.
Papa is coming.
Don't worry. Come, let me see. Let me see. Don't worry. Let me see. How is it? Alright, calm down.
Babe, it's okay. Just calm down.
It's alright. It's alright.
Calm down. Sorry, please just relax yourself.
Papa, I killed my wife.
Forget that.
Papa.
Listen. Go and get something to take her blood. Just go and look for something. Papa, it's alright. It's alright. Just go and get something. Take the knife. Take the knife. Neck.
Tonight is over. Victory! Victory! Obike shall be my king.
The king is alive. How possible is that? No. That girl is a witch. What if she exposes me? What happens? No, she can't do that. She doesn't have any evidence. It's no.
I was just coming from your kingdom and your mother said you left the palace.
And why are you searching for me?
Ezechi, you called off our engagement. Why?
Because I can't be with a woman who's disrespectful. No, I can't.
Ezechi, can you be serious? That girl in question is doing all she can to revive my father, and my father is regaining his strength.
Is she a doctor? Is she a physician? No.
Whatever she's doing, she's helping my father, and my father wants her to stay. Why are you being impossible?
She's not a physician. Let her go.
What has come over you?
Listen and listen good. Years ago, your father banished a lot of people and called them wizards, witches, sorcerers. Am I right or wrong?
Those days, the people never meant well for the kingdom. They were using those powers against their fellow humans, hurting and killing them. It was very rampant. You should go and read history about all of that.
The question is, did your father banish them or not?
Yes.
Good. The maiden is a witch, so she has to be banished as well. Else, stay away from me. I don't care about you and your father anymore. So leave. You need to pull yourself together. Your father is going to be fine. The gods will protect him. But you have to stay strong for him. I promise to be with you. I promise to guide you. I promise to protect you. I'm here for you, alright?
They killed Dr. Mabel. Who is doing this to us? Who wants to kill my father? I'm scared. I'm really scared.
Princess, you don't have to be scared. That's why I'm here for you. Okay? We're in this together. We have to fire the workers in the palace. Because we can't trust anyone now. We have to employ new workers. And before they start working, they must swear an oath of allegiance. Very, very important. Listen, I love you very much. And I'm here to ensure that everything is fine.
Thank you so much for being here with me. I love you too.
You're welcome. Maydays, you're all welcome. You must remember that you're under an oath of allegiance. Your duty here is to protect and serve. The king is sick. He needs our prayers. We must pray and ask the gods to reveal his enemies, the people responsible for his sickness. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my prince. Yes, my prince.
Move away. No, you stay back. You step away so I can see your faces properly. So I've been meaning to ask you, who's a better cook, or should I say, who's a better chef amongst both of you?
My friend, sorry. I'm a perfect cook. I can cook perfectly. Trust me.
What about you?
Oh, my prince, I'm a good cook as well.
Okay. I'll put you to a test. Both of you. You are going to prepare your favorite meal. Same goes to you. And I'm going to taste it. Whoever cooks better will be in charge of the kitchen.
Challenge accepted, my prince.
You may go.
All right, my prince.
If you know chichi, we're on the comment. If you know chichi, we're on the comment. Light and darkness has nothing in common. Light and darkness has nothing in common.
Thank you. Thank you so much, my love.
You're welcome. I love you.
I love you too.
Evil will never prevail. Evil will never prevail. Injustice will never prevail. When power jump power, the lesser power go by. When power jump power, the lesser power go by. Light shine in the day, darkness shine in the night. Dear John, my dear, what is your love? Not basic. But when the light comes, darkness disappears. My captain soon abuja nefu. Captain soon abuja nefu. Dear John, my dear, Dikeh, Ike family, Ike mancha. Onye walu na yiru awalalu ya. Ekwesu na buja nefu. The devil are doing in vain. If you know chichi, we're on the comment. If you know chichi, we're on the comment. Light and darkness has nothing in common. Light and darkness has nothing in common. Evil will never prevail. Evil will never prevail. Never.
told you. I told you. I told you that girl is a witch. Osinachi is a witch. Hey! Hey! How on earth did she know that we poisoned that juice? How?
I don't know. What are we going to do now? You know Ekema gave us a huge tax and we have to nail it. You know what will happen if we fail? We'll be in trouble.
I am thinking. No wonder.
I have an idea.
Tell me, what's your idea?
You know the kingdom forbids witchcraft and sorcerers. I will tell the king or Jono that she's practicing witchcraft in the palace.
Hey!
Yes.
Ola!
Yes. I'll also tell the Ono she has bewitched everybody. The princess. In fact, the princess. Everybody in the palace.
Ola, you are right. We need something to defend this. Like, we need a concrete and a solid evidence to back this up, or else it's going to backfire on us.
Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Like, what is it? Like, what do we need to do?
Okay.
Yeah, you're a genius. You're a very smart girl.
Yes, no.
Tell me, what do we need to do?
When she leaves the palace to the market, we'll strike. I will tell the Onu or the king's brother.
The king's brother? Yes.
Just leave it to me, I'll handle the rest.
What is it? Am I owing you?
What are you even feeling like, huh? A demigod or something? You think we don't know what you're doing behind? You evil witch. I know you.
You should know me by now. I'm not the type to banter words. I don't like drama. Excuse me.
You know you are a fool. A capital fool. Oh, because you think you are the king's cook? You can do anything you want to do in this palace. We know you. You can't harm us.
And you're a lesbian. You and your so-called best friend are lesbians. I wonder how you can be so stupid to open up your heart to some wandering spirit, some demon to possess you and use you anyhow they want. As for running away, nah, that won't happen. I have come to stay, and I will stay in this palace forever. And don't you ever call me a witch again, else you will burn. Olama, be careful. And let it be the last time you would obstruct me to rant rubbish.
If you're not chichi, we're on the comment. If you're not chichi, we're on the comment. Light and darkness has nothing in common. Light and darkness has nothing in common.
Ekema, what are you doing?
I should be asking you that. How dare you come in here? How dare you?
Ekema, what are you doing?
You have no place in this palace. Please, I beg you, stop! You have no place in this palace. You have no place in this palace. Stop it! 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 Stop it!
Mother, this is too much. This is too much, okay? That girl used that water on me, mother. No! I shall not give up. I shall not. She must die. Mother, she must die. Mother, this is too much. I can't take it. I can't take it, okay? Do not worry. You shall be fine. You shall be fine. I worry. Okay? I am not fine. I need to kill her. I need to kill that girl. She must die. She must die. She must die. No. I shall not give up. No. No. No.
There is a witch in this palace. My princess, I am certain there is a witch in this palace.
Will you shut up your mouth? How dare you? We do not indulge in such in this kingdom.
Ekema, where did you spend the night?
My princess, I slept in the girls' room. You can call them for confirmation.
Osinachi,
my princess,
do you know anything about what she's saying?
No, not at all, my princess. I know nothing about it.
If you're not chichi, we're on the comment.
Both of you should leave. I'll take care of it later. Thank you, my princess.
Light and darkness has nothing in common. Light and darkness has nothing in common. Evil we never prevail. Evil we never prevail. Never prevail. Injustice we never prevail.
It is time to fight. This is the time to fight. This is the time to stand by my side and defend me. That witch, that evil girl used that dangerous water on me. And I am not letting this one slide. So I need you girls to stand by my side and defend your queen.
Yes, our great queen.
My queen, we have our plans. We are just waiting for the right time to strike.
Just as you have your plans, I have mine too. I shall go and return. And when I do, I swear I will consume that girl. I will take life away from her. It's a promise.
If I know chichi where me come and if I know chichi where me come and light and darkness has nothing in common.
No, Udweke, I won't take it. I won't take it. Not that I'm sacrificing my wife and my unborn child for this cause, and you're telling me a maiden is stopping her from annihilating the king. Papa, she has been defeated now.
She did not defeat me. Watch your tongue.
Then what is stopping you from annihilating the king? What is the problem? A maiden from nowhere becomes the center of attraction, Papa. This is not what we bargained for now, Papa. This is not what we bargained for.
Calm down. Calm down, my son.
No, Papa, will not calm down. Papa, will not calm down. Eh? My wife and my child is dead, Papa. What am I doing here now, Papa?
Udweke, what's the matter? Is Osinachi stronger than you?
I wonder.
How can you tell us this kind of sad news? It is very improper. How can you tell us she did this to you? How?
You and your son should live here if you do not want to listen to me.
Papa, I swear to God, Makachuku, I will destroy this place if you not kill her today.
You will do no such thing. You will do no. How dare you say that? How dare you?
Udweke, please don't listen to him. He is talking from the place of hurt. We need a solution. What's the next thing? What are we going to do to end this once and for all, please?
Virgin. I need blood of a virgin. Virgin needs to be sacrificed. I need blood of a virgin. I must win this war. I must kill that girl. No, she can't defeat me. I must kill her.
It's all right. We'll get a virgin for you. We'll get it for you, my son. Let's go.
Papa, I'm respecting you.
I am respecting you.
This woman is speaking.
I must eliminate this girl.
Maybe fill this place.
Listen to
me. Get out.
Stop shouting.
Out of here.
It's all right, please.
Immediately. Take him out
It's
of
all
here.
right. Stop shouting and yelling. I'll get the virgin. Don't worry.
I need a virgin. Papa. Blood of a virgin.
Don't worry.
Papa, my wife.
Blood of my wife and my unborn child, Papa.
I need blood of a virgin.
Udweke, we are coming
Papa,
back.
this is virgin. Blood of a virgin. I must win this battle. No. She can't defeat me. No. No.
Papa, my unborn
I
child.
must win. No. She can't defeat me.
Girl.
My son, take it easy. Take it easy, my son. I will provide the virgin myself. Yes, I will. Wait till be.
Papa, I can't take it easy, Papa, I'm literally going mad, Papa. Who is this girl, Papa? I will deal with this girl, Papa. I am saying it now. I will deal with this girl.
Rapport go dealing them more, getting more well like a no dog. Leave the battle of the spirit for the spirits. Rapport I can well like a no.
Papa, I have gone too far to go back, Papa. I have crossed the Rubicon and I will not give up on this, Papa. And I'm serious about that.
Wait, Obi. You are a man. Be a man.
But very soon I should start to sacrifice myself, Papa.
We've been to my son.
But you recorded, was it?
Hope you know that
What comes to a man is equal to a man. And the life of a man is full of history. And it is human sufferings that purify and renew the history of the world.
Where is this whole adage coming from? What is it?
Promise me that what I'm about to tell you now, you will take it like a man, you will not react for it.
Papa, I don't know. Okay, I promise. I promise I won't overreact.
Promise me again that what I'm about to tell you now, that you won't move out of this door. Anyhow.
Papa, where is Amanda? Where is my daughter first?
Your daughter is safe and sound.
Okay, Papa. I'm already lying down inside. I promise I won't go out. What is it?
Your wife was found lying lifelessly on the street.
But are you insinuating that Florence, my wife, is dead?
That's exactly what I mean.
Jesus Christ.
No. You promised me that you will not step out of this place. I know that you are worried. Relax, I have called her father and they are there. I just want to inform you by myself so that nobody will so that I don't want you to hear from another person. So relax. Are you okay so that I can go out and take care of everything and bring back the news? Can you relax? I know that you're worried. I know how you feel. I'm gonna take heart. You're a man.
So, Papa, what are you going to do now? Have you called the father?
Exactly. The outside there.
What? No, please. Please don't keep... Papa! Papa! I saw her.
Where is she?
I saw Clara seated there, Papa.
Nobody is here.
I am not blind. I saw Clara right there, Papa.
What are you talking about? What are you saying? Is here not your house? Nobody is here. Are you okay?
Papa.
Are you okay?
I am okay, Papa. I know what I'm saying. Clara was seated there, Papa. Just this place.
My son, listen to me. Listen to me. Clara is not here. Clara is dead and gone.
Papa, are you trying to tell me that I'm blind?
I'm not saying you're blind, but what I'm saying is that nobody is here. He is your house. I'm not seeing anybody here.
Papa, I can't stay in this room. I can't stay in this house anymore, Papa. I need to leave this place immediately, Papa. I saw Clara right there and I know what I'm saying. Just right there. Papa. I am man enough, but I can't stay in this house anymore, Papa.
Clara is dead and gone.
Okay, Papa, you can stay in this room.
Come here. What? Come here. Joking. This is the blood of a virgin you requested.
Nzobi, you have done well.
Thank you.
You have really done well.
Thank you.
I shall return the war. Aluna.
Mom made you as well, Jofia. Alusinye boy ogendo na so so.
Mo ba lo no.
Udoeke, I believe you. You are the greatest of our time. The one that killed the 7 great Divyas. Udoeke, your history will never be forgotten in our great land. I was bitter that my brother banished you from our great kingdom. That is one of the reasons I want him killed, so my son can ascend the throne.
Zobi,
Udoeke,
thank you for the recognition. I am happy you still recognize and remember Udoeke. Go home, relax. You shall hear the good news.
Udoeke Odogwu, we know you and we know what you can do.
Call me Alono.
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 Go home and relax.
Thank you.
You shall hear the good news.
I'll be on my way.
Go home.
It's alright.
Go! You shall hear the good news.
Thank you very much, Papa. I really appreciate everything you have done for me. Thank you very much. Thank you for the encouragement, the commitment. Papa, if not for you, I and my wife could have been on our separate ways by now. At least today, she was able to promise her people that she is going to separate herself from her bad influence she called her friends. Thank you very much, Papa.
You're welcome, my son. You see, Ikechukwu, what I want to tell you now is nothing but the truth. Marital issue is not about divorce. Divorce can never be answer or solution to marriage issues. Yes, I will advise you to look for people who have experience in marriage, people who has gone through turbulence. Make them your role model. Yes, let them be your role model. Life is a preset, my son. It's not about divorce. It's not about education or smartness. Are you hearing me? Just look for those people who have experience and follow them. Like I said, if your mother was to be alive, our marriage would have lasted till eternity. But my prayer for you today is that the gods of our land will protect you and your family.
You see, Papa, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Papa. I pray may the God keep you alive for me, Papa. In fact, in my next life, I will love you to still be my father. Thank you very much, Papa.
You're welcome. I was so happy when I heard your wife's voice on phone. Always show to her that you are the man of the house. Show to her that you love her. Are you hearing me?
Yes, Papa.
There will be peace. Your marriage will not crumble. Yes.
Papa, thank you very much. I'm grateful. Thank you very much, Papa, for everything.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. How about our king, Papa?
Oh, our king is getting better. There is this maiden we have in the palace.
One of the maiden. How?
She has been a problem to the enemies of our palace. Yes. And she's doing everything to make sure that our king stands with his feet again.
How?
She administers some herbs to the king. Are you hearing me? I'm making sure that everything is fine with the king.
That's very good, Papa. You mean we still have such good people on earth?
Yes.
Papa, I don't know if you have chance, so you can go to any nearby place and take some bushmeat and fresh palm wine.
You want to take me out?
Yes, Papa.
That would be nice. Then let's go. Let's go.
Thank you so much, Papa.
Papa, are you expecting anyone?
No. Are you?
Not at all. Chiniki. No, Amara. No, Amara.
You sure?
Amara Chupu. Amara.
Papa.
Amara. When did you come back?
I came back 2 days ago.
Oh, you're welcome.
Are you not Amara that traveled to Germany?
Papa, she's the one.
Papa, I'm the one.
When did you come back?
Papa, I just got back.
Hey! Oh, you are welcome.
Thank you, Papa. Don't tell me.
Oh, my lovely daughter. Yes, she's my lovely daughter.
Oh, she's so beautiful.
Say thank you.
Ah, what's your name?
Adobe.
Ah, Adobe. What a beautiful name. See your nose like your dad's nose.
I know that your parents will be so much happy about you.
Of course, Papa, they are very, very happy.
Obinna,
Papa,
I will leave you to.
Oh, the meeting. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, Papa.
Nabo, you're looking good.
You too, you're not looking bad.
Adobe, please go inside. I'll join you. Eh? Thank you. You came back, you didn't tell me.
Obinna, I heard everything that happened.
You did?
Yes.
Ah.
It's okay.
That was how I got into the hands of a strange woman.
You never believed me. I know that lady took you away from me.
I am so sorry. So tell me, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
I can see.
There's something I would like you to know.
What is that?
I have a son.
You have a son? I didn't even hear you got married. That's wonderful. Congratulations.
No, Obinna. I mean, we have a son.
Excuse me. What do you mean we have a son? Like...
Yes.
And you never mentioned it to me.
Obinna, everything happened so fast. You know how it happened, and coupled, you got married. I couldn't say anything, and my dad said I shouldn't tell you anything.
That's too bad. But at least you should have given me a call or something. There should have been a way of communication.
I am here now. Okay.
So where's my boy? Where's he?
He's in Germany.
What? You left him all alone in Germany?
Of course, he's studying. I can't come back with him to this village.
I understand.
Obinna, for you to know that I still love you, just come with me to Germany.
What do you say? Like I should come with you?
Yes.
Are you being serious?
Yes, I will do everything within my power to get you a job, to better your life. You don't need to stay in this village.
Do you mean what you just said now to me?
Yes. Just make up your mind. Let's go.
Akage dị ọcha.
My prince, what's the problem? What have you done to him? Talk to me. What's wrong with you?
My love, talk to me. What is that? What is wrong with you? It's me.
What am I doing here?
You came to see me.
Where are my parents? Where are my parents? What am I doing here?
Please calm down and talk to me.
Osinachibia, Osirana Madubia, Amama Buruni Sigi Sinachi, the gift of prophecy.
I said speak!
From the Lord to save the world.
The liberation has just begun.
What nonsense are you talking about?
No force can stop me in this world. No matter the strength, no matter the power. Osinachi, Osirana Madu, Osinachi, Amama Buruni Sigis.
I told you that I shall return to send you to your dark grave. You dare challenge me. You dare try to stop my mission. I have lived 190 years in this kingdom. No man crosses my path and go harmless. I eat the spirit, the flesh, the bones and marrows. I am Dikeh. I am alone. It is my time. My time. Not even an ant like you will stop me.
Yeah. You said you saw this in her room, under her bed. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir.
I told you people that Osinachi is a witch. I knew it. I said it here, but none of you believed me. Osinachi is practicing witchcraft, and they must be stoned to death.
Exactly. Nzobi, you see, the girl in question is not here to defend herself. At least we should wait for her to return from the market.
No, you are right. Oh no, she has nothing to defend, and she won't be here. Yes.
How dare you speak in this kind of gathering?
Will you shut up? Said by who that my son cannot speak here? Said by who? Ochi, let me tell you, if he is my son, the royal blood flows in his veins. He has every right to speak. Don't ever open this your filthy mouth to say what again. Don't say what again. You are nobody here. Look at this Aburo. I will pick from Onisha.
Where is Osinachi?
Why are you asking about Osinachi? I ask again, King. Why are you asking about her? I killed her. I sniffed life out of her. I destroyed everything that makes her a human being. I am Dikeh.
I am Dikeh. Your Majesty, I am here to rule this kingdom. Yes, this is my time to rule this kingdom. I told you I will be back. I am here now. Yes!
Rule my kingdom.
Yes! Yes, Papa! Victory at last!
Exactly. The long-awaited king is here.
Now it's time to take what rightfully belongs to me.
Exactly.
Yes, I am Dikeh. I have never lost any battle. Onowu, pick that crown and crown him our next king.
Mama, we have to go.
Don't touch me. We are world apart. Who's that? What are you doing here? It's not yet your time. You have to go back to the palace. You have a mission there.
Mama, I can't go without you. Mama, you're here now. Let's go.
I can't go with you, so to go.
Mama, let's go.
Go! 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 Go, so that you go. Go! Go!
Hey! What's it? What are you doing here?
Maybe I don't know. I don't know how I got here. Please, I need to head back to the palace now.
Exactly what I'm asking. How? How manage? How did you get here?
Listen, please. You need to help me get Dikeh or bike. Please, I need to head back to the palace now. Please.
I'm ready to receive you. Yes? Okay. Fine, no problem. Let me look for Keke. Follow me.
Oh no, we'll get up. Get up, go and get the crown. Get the crown. What are you still waiting for? No. Yes.
I am Dikeh. Go on and do that. I have never lost any battle.
Oh, yeah.
Do that immediately.
That will not happen.
You again? What are you doing here? Stop there!
Ometelo nyabulu. Mmile nwilu. Akamodi ocha.
Don't come close to me! Don't go down there to talk to me! Don't allow that nonsense to talk to me!
You can't do anything to me. For I have the support of all the positive spirits in this kingdom. And the ancestors are strongly behind me. You can't do nothing.
Ometelo nyabu. No! Don't do that! Don't do that! No! No!
Ometelo asemo nyabu. Ometelo nyabu. Ometelo nyabu. Ometelo nyabu. Ometelo nyabu. Ometelo. Ometelo, nyabulu, mile wilo, akagi docha.
Father, are you okay?
My crown.
Osina chibia, osirana madu marebia. Amoma mamburu nisige sinachi. The gift of prophecy is from the Lord to save the world. Kamnyalo waka. I am the eyes, I speak the mind of the gods. Anyande moja fuso, neno more. No force who can stop me in this world. No matter the strength, yo, no matter the power.
Papa, we need to leave this village immediately, Papa, please. Papa, you didn't lock the door?
No.
What's the problem? Who locked the door?
Papa, let's go to the back door. Let's go to the back door.
Papa, what is happening, Papa?
Let me change your door.
But let me check it again. Papa, are you sure you didn't lock this door, Papa?
No, I didn't.
Babe, please.
You killed me.
Clara, please.
And you think you can go scot-free?
Please have mercy, Clara. Please.
Papa, even you.
Hey! What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Why have you been pushing me to the wall? What is the meaning of this? You have been pushing me to the after all. I am the one who is supposed to be a king. How can you, a small boy like you, be fighting to be a king? What will you do with the throne? What is the meaning of this? I'm asking you.
Papa, you've been the one fronting me all this while.
Fronting who? You are the cause of all this problem. You started it.
Papa, me?
Yes, I've been using you to get the throne. You do the fight, I become the king because you are the one who decided to be king when you cannot be king. You cannot be king. I am the one to be the king because the king is my brother. There is no way I will be alive and my own son will be the king. It is not possible. After all, you are not my biological son. Yes.
What did you just say, Papa?
If you ask me this question again, Magola, Papa,
you mean I'm not your
biological son?
And you allow me to kill my wife and my own child?
I'm not going to defend them.
Papa, I give my wife and
I
have to die. You made me kill my wife and my unborn child. All for your greed. Evil man. You've been deceiving me all this while. Oh, Papa? What happened to Papa? Papa, are you okay? Babe, please. Please forgive me, babe. Baby, Papa deceived me. Baby, you know that I love you so much. Babe, please.
If you know chichi, we're on the comment. If you know chichi, we're on the comment. Light and darkness has nothing in common. Light and darkness.
Grandpa, I'll miss you.
I will miss you too, my granddaughter. Obinna, so you are traveling abroad like this?
Miche, it is what it is. All thanks to God and all thanks to my friend.
My daughter,
Sir.
I'm very, very happy for you. God will bless you abundantly.
Amen.
Please, when you people get to Germany, do not forget us.
Of course we will not, Papa. We won't forget you, Meanwhile, we'll have to start going.
The cities. The journey is far.
God bless you for this. We are happy.
Do not forget your grandpa. Always pray for your grandpa.
The city is far. Papa, I have to go.
Okay, Papa. See ya.
Don't forget. Oh, no, okay.
Just
take it
call
easy.
you anytime you decided to
Take it easy. Don't gas it too much. Gentle, gentle. Eh?
The devil are doing in vain.
It's here.
If you're not changing, if you're not changing, we're up and coming. Light and darkness has nothing in common. Light and darkness has nothing in common. Evil will never prevail. Evil will never prevail. Never prevail. Injustice will never prevail. Evil will never prevail. Evil will never prevail. Injustice will never prevail. When power jump power, the lesser power go by. When power jump power, the lesser power go by. If you're not changing, we're on the command. If you're not changing, we're on the command.
I like the picture.
What do you want to do with my picture?
So unique. So yeah, I like it.
Okay. You know, I've been meaning to ask you. When are you going to come and visit me at our lodge? We're friends now, right? And we've known close to 3 months now.
I want to wait out. That is why I'm able to come out.
How about Sundays? You can make our time on Sunday night.
Yes, that is if you allow me to keep it.
Oh, sure, why not? I mean, I have plenty of this where it came from, so you can keep it.
Okay, I'll visit you.
You will? Oh, thank you very much. I can't wait to have you in our lodge. Alright? So I'll be seeing you on Sunday.
Yes.
Alright. Take care of yourself.
I don't know what to do. I told you not to put it. You still force your way inside of me. Now I'm pregnant. I've been vomiting and sleeping anyhow.
And then I have told you to do away with the baby. Alright? I mean, just a pill or a herb and it will go. I can't father a child right now. I'm just a copper.
I will never kill my baby. Never!
So what do you expect me to do? I can't take you to my parents. Listen, Nena, I will pay whatever it takes. Any amount you want, I will pay. But you can't keep the baby. Alright? I'm a prince. And a lot is expected of me. But not this. At least not now.
I will never commit an abortion. I repeat, I will never commit an abortion. This is your first child. You blood. Even if you're not a prince, I will not do it.
It's fine. It's fine. Look, I have to go for my PPA right now. Alright? We'll talk about this when I get back. But you have to think of something to do. Because you can't keep it. You can't.
Really?
If you're not chichi enwere mmekọmanto. Ife no chichi enwere mmekọmanto. Light and darkness has nothing in common.
I left for the States. Then I traveled to the United States. I must confess that I didn't ask her or bother about her. I was confused. I didn't have any other option. But Osinachi, I think the gods wanted you to be alive for this. They wanted you to be alive for this day. You were indeed, made for this. You saved me. In spite of all my wrongdoings, my wickedness, and everything I did against your mother. And what really, beat my imagination was the fact that you saved all this pain. And you saved the anger just to save me, to save the kingdom, and to save everybody from hidden enemies, even our household enemy. Osinachi, please forgive me, your father. I missed it totally. I'm so sorry. Find it in your place to forgive me.
It's okay, Dad. Yeah, forgiving you. I am happy to have reunited with my family. I just feel bad that my mother is not here. May her gentle soul rest in peace.
Amen.
Osinachi, you're a God sent. I'm happy that you're my sister. Thank you so much for saving our kingdom.
It's okay. Come here.
Thank you.
Osinachi bia, osira na mmadu were bia. Amoma mamburu nisege Osinachi. The gift of prophecy is from the Lord to save the world. Gamnyaro waka. I am the eyes, I speak the mind of the gods. Anyandi moji afuso nenumo. No force can stop me in this world. No matter the strength, no matter the power. Osinachi bia, osira na mmadu were bia. Amoma mamburu nisege Osinachi. The gift of prophecy is from the Lord to save the world. Gamnyaro waka. Osinachi bia, osira na mmadu were bia. Amoma mamburu nisege Osinachi. The gift of prophecy is from the Lord to save the world. Gamnyaro waka. Marabana miri marugo na sugaro. Okirikiri ka baruko sa diarienu. The water that drenches eagle wash it clean. Ike Osinachi, ifuzo Osinachi mo. Amuma mnebu no maramama. Ifuzo Osinachi onye waniwe. Osinachi bia, osira na mmadu were bia.